In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect Stripe to your Whop community account so you can start receiving payments smoothly. Let's get started and ensure everything is set up correctly, allowing you to manage transactions without any interruptions. To begin, you'll need to log into your Whop account. Once you've successfully logged in, navigate to the profile menu where you'll find an option labeled Account Settings. Click on that, and this will serve as the starting point for your payment setup journey. After opening the account settings, you'll want to look for the section that mentions balances. This is a crucial area since it's where you can manage your payment methods and balances effectively. Inside this section, you'll spot a button that prompts you to set up payments. Clicking on this button is your gateway to connecting with Stripe. Don't worry, this action will smoothly redirect you to Stripe's platform to proceed with the connection process. Once on the Stripe page, you'll be asked to select the country where your bank or business is registered. This step is essential as it ensures that Stripe configures your account correctly according to the specific financial regulations of your region. Next, input your email address. At this point, you have the option to either log in to an existing Stripe account or create a brand new one if you haven't set up one before. Stripe will then send you a verification code to the email address you provided. Be sure to check your inbox and enter this verification code when prompted. It's a simple security measure to confirm your identity and email, allowing you to proceed without any hitches. Now that your email is verified, it's time to fill out your personal or business details. This information is vital for Stripe to ensure compliance with various financial regulations, so be sure to fill it out accurately. Once you've completed this form, it's time to submit your application. Stripe is known for its efficiency, so the approval process is generally quick. Once everything is approved, you'll find yourself back on your Whop dashboard with Stripe successfully connected. Congratulations, you're now all set up to receive payments through your Whop community account. This seamless integration with Stripe means you can now focus on growing and managing your community while your payment infrastructure reliably handles transactions in the background. Remember, having a robust payment setup like this not only facilitates transactions, but also builds trust with your community members, knowing that their transactions are handled securely and professionally.